Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will explain Configuration Management Database, which is an operational module of ITSM. It includes overview, CMDB schema model, populating and maintaining CMDB, key CMDB tables. So let's start with overview. The ServiceNow Configuration Management Database is the centralized repository that stores information about the IT infrastructure, including hardware, software, networks, facilities, and related documentation. It provides a comprehensive view of the relationship and dependencies among various IT assets and services, enabling organizations to manage and optimize their IT environment effectively. The CMDB creates and maintains the logical configuration your network infrastructure needs to support a ServiceNow service. These logical service configurations are mapped to the physical layout data of the supporting network and application infrastructure in each of your respective domains. They track the physical and logical state of IT service elements and associate incident to the state of service elements, which helps in analyzing trends and reducing problems and incidents. The CMDB serves as the foundational data layer for many ServiceNow applications and processes, including incident management, problem management, change management, and service level management. It helps organizations maintain accurate and up-to-date information about their IT environment, facilitating better decision making, risk management, and service delivery. The configurations are stored in the configuration management database, which consists of entities called configuration items, CIs, that are part of your environment. A CI may be a physical entity such as a computer or router, a logical entity such as instance of a database, conceptual such as uh, requisition service. In each case, there are attributes about the CI that you want to maintain, and there is a control you want to have over the CI. There are changes that may need to be made and tracked against the CI. Also, a CI does not exist on its own. CIs have dependencies and relationship with other CIs. CMDB schema model. The CMDB schema model is a structured representation of all configuration items and their attributes along with the relationships between these CIs. This schema model is essential for organizing and managing the data within the CMDB effectively. So core concepts of CMDB schema model. Configuration items, the primary entities in the CMDB representing individual components of the IT environment. Each CI has attribute that provided detailed information about the item. CI classes, categories of types of CIs. ServiceNow CMDB has a hierarchical structure of classes, allowing for more organized and detailed classification of CIs. Then attributes, characteristics or properties of CIs. Each CI class have specific attributes that define it, such as name, serial number, status, and location. Then relationship, link between CIs that define how they interact or depend on each other. Relationship help in understanding the impact of changes and incident on the IT environment. Then CI class and hierarchy. The CMDB schema model uses a hierarchical structure to organize CI classes. This hierarchy starts with the generic class and becomes more specific as it branches out. Key CI class includes base configuration item, the root class for all CIs. Then hardware includes subclasses like server, network devices, storage devices, etc. Then server subclasses can include Windows Server, Linux Server, virtual server, etc. Then software includes subclasses like application, database, middleware, and application subclasses can include web application, desktop application, and network includes subclasses like router, switch, firewall, and facilities include subclasses like data center, rack, power unit, and if we talk about business service, then high level services delivered to the business, and technical services, IT services that support business services. In attributes and relationship types, common attributes for CI includes its name, the name of the CI, then category, the category to which the CI belongs, status, the current status of the CI, operational, like operational or retired, owner, the individual or team responsible for the CI, location, physical or logical location of the CI, then serial number, unique identifier assigned by the manufacturer, then relationship types. Common relationship types between CI include depends on, runs on, hosted on, connected to, hosted on, like runs on specific, that software runs on specific hardware. Hosted on indicates that CI is hosted on another CI, such as virtual server on the physical server. Then connected to describes network or physical connection between CIs. Then uses specifies that one CI uses another CI for operation. Then visualizing the CMDB schema. ServiceNow provides tool for visualizing the CMDB schema, makes it easier to understand and manage the relationship and dependencies within the IT environment. The key visualization tools include dependency views, CMDB health dashboard. Dependency views is the graphical representation of the CI relationship, showing how CIs are connected and depend on each other. And CMDB health dashboard provides insight in the completeness, correctness, and compliance of the CMDB data, helping identify and address data quality issues. Then populating and maintaining CMDB. Populating and maintaining the CMDB is the critical process for ensuring that the CMDB remains accurate, complete, and up to date. So there are some ways to, you can say, that populate CMDB, like discovery. Discovery is an automated process that scans an organization IT environment to identify CIs and their attributes. It helps populate the CMDB with accurate and up-to-date information, minimizing the need for manual data entry. Then service mapping. Service mapping is a feature that creates a comprehensive map of business services, showing the relationship and dependency between various CIs. It provides a clear picture of how services are delivered and supported by the underlying IT infrastructure. Then manual updates. Manual updates involve human intervention to add or modify CI data that cannot be discovered automatically or requires specific business context. Then data reconciliation. Data reconciliation ensure the accuracy of CMDB by comparing discovered data with existing records, identifying discrepancies, and resolving them. And key CMDB tables. The CMDB consists of several key tables that store and organize information about configuration items and their relationship. First is core CMDB tables. The central table for all configuration item in the CMDB, storing generic information such as name, ACID tag, class, manufacturer, model, serial number, location, assigned to, and install status. This table acts as the parent table for all other CI classes. Then CI relation table contains records of relationship between different CIs, detailing how they are related, are dependent on each other. Key fields include parent CI, child CI, and the type of relationship. Then CI class specific tables like CMDB, CI computer, a subclass of CMDB CI dedicated to computers including servers and workstation. It captures detailed attributes like operating system, CPU, memory, disk space, IP address and MAC address. Then CMDB CI network focus on network devices such as routers, switches and firewalls, storing information like IP address, MAC address, a network role and firmware version. Then service and application tables. It includes CMDB CI service that stores information about business and technical services, including service name, type, owner, and status. This table helps in tracking the service offered by the IT department and their health. Then CMDB CI app server, a subclass of CMDB CI for application service servers, including details such as application name, version, server role, and installed software. It helps in managing and monitoring application server environments. Then specialized CI tables. CMDB CI software manages information about the software application and licenses, capturing fields like software name, version, license key, and install count. This is the crucial for software asset management and compliance. Then CMDB CI cloud service focus on cloud services, storing detail about the cloud provider, service type, service regions and account IDs. This table is essential for managing cloud resources and services. Then CMDB model stores model specific information for hardware and software such as model number, manufacturer, model category and description, adding in standardization and consistency across the CMDB. So that's all about configuration management database. Thank you.